slums that were there. Looks very good. What frightens me is...
Now what?
Now what? Now what? What is going to happen there? Are you going to have a... Pardon? No, that's what I want to know. We don't want more slums coming back. Since they have been removed, is there going to be a sports stadium there? Is there going to be...
In fact, we want that to happen, and I think we had put in an application for that also, of that space which has freed up. So till the time we don't protect open spaces, and that goes with, if it is collector land, it is railway land, it is defense land, it needs to be protected by those agencies. And it doesn't happen. Therefore, if it is RG, PG or whatever reservation, we try and see that it is used for that reservation. And we had put in an application for a sports complex so that people in the area can have access to it. But I think there were some issues and there was some opposition on that matter as well, so it got stalled.
But then we shouldn't have slums coming back there when they...
We shouldn't. Not at all. Not at all. And
yeah, it can be cordoned off, a wall can be put around it. Priya, another thing, since you're also talking about women protection, if you're coming again into Bandra, into Nargis Dutt Nagar, you come under the expressway. There have been many cases of molestation of girls because there is no lighting under that bridge. And people have moved from the slum area, not contained there, but they have gone. There used to be, if you remember, a butterfly park there. Underneath that expressway, it was a beautiful garden with lovely butterflies. I remember taking my granddaughters there. It's all completely filled with slums again, and lighting has to come there because there have been molestation cases. Yeah, opposite the fire brigade, opposite the fire station. Exactly. Yeah.
This whole thing of even using spaces under the flyovers is an issue, and we had also given a proposal that we should utilize it to the best. Because every place is either getting encroached upon, illegal parking happens there, or there have people, settlements coming there and living there. To beautify the area and hand it over, to corporates or something who will maintain and beautify that area and make it into a lovely space. So that's a proposal which we have put in and proposed that is that under every flyover there should be something developed.